Nancy's quilt story labels are a beloved way to preserve the stories behind each quilt. But now, with the newest feature, these labels have become even more magical. You can now add a personal audio message to your quilt label, making each quilt a living, breathing piece of family history. Imagine the excitement of a little girl in the future inheriting a quilt. On the back, she finds one of Nancy's quilt story labels. Curious, she scans the label's QR code with her smartphone. To her amazement, a picture of her great-great-grandmother appears, and she hears her voice, sharing the story behind the quilt. As she listens, her great-great-grandmother's voice fills the room, describing the inspiration, the love, and the care that went into making the quilt. The little girl feels an overwhelming sense of connection and warmth. Now, every night when she snuggles under the quilt, she feels the comfort and safety of her great-great-grandmother's love, as if she is being wrapped in a hug from the past. Quilts are special that way. They provide warmth and comfort, but with Nancy's quilt story labels, they also carry the voices and stories of those who made them. This new feature ensures that the love and memories stitched into each quilt will be cherished for generations. Would you like to add a personal audio message to your quilts?